This is Jordan with Audible Disease. And what we have here is we have the Rupture 2, the Schizodelay, and an Earthquaker Devices Rainbow Machine. And we're just going to play with feedback loops with the Rupture 2 and the Schizodelay. So this is just actually feeding back on itself. This is self-oscillating. So we're going to just start with the Rainbow Machine. We're going to turn that thing on. It's going to start self-oscillating. You can barely hear it, but when you crank on the feedback looper, you can really hear it. Now we're turning on the Schizodelay. Just awesome noise. I had to share this, man. This is just great. Listen to that thing, just self-oscillating. And I'm just playing with the pitch. I got the feedback loop turned up about halfway, so it's not just totally exploding. But I'm playing with the pitch knob. Just let it oscillate. The Schizodelay, set relatively high, so the slapback repeats in the level about 3/4 up. Repeats are turned all the way up, so you get lots of repeats, and the skid knob's turned all the way down. Turn that up a little bit and try it now. That is just awesome noise, guys. I'll play with the tracking. Turn up the feedback loops. This has been more fun with noise. This is Jordan with Audible Disease. Visit our site at www.audibledisease.com and take it easy.